Okay, so I've been putting some filler in with some success and a lot of fails. I feel like this is pretty good. Feels pretty smooth. I got some on the back up here and then down at the bottom over there. And I'm about to start over here on this. I just roughed everything up. I got some on the back. I'm gonna knock a lot of that down once it sets a little bit. Now this stuff is a pain in the butt because in this heat and humidity it turns gummy really fast. You gotta work fast with it. Looks good. It's already sticking. Yeah, so I bought a little pack of these. I mean, it was like $4 for a pack, but look, it's already breaking. So these things are horrible. So I made this, and it's worked 100 times better. And it's just a piece of like galvanized flashing. Just chopped a little piece off of that. Using that as my spreader. Alright, so I got most of the body filler down. Fairly smooth from what I can tell. I put a layer on here because there were some pits. So I need to sand this still. But it's fairly smooth. Once I get that sanded down, I'll be done with the body filler on this cab and I'll be able to move on to the next thing. A couple things I need to do still. I need to paint backside of these rocker panels and these corner pieces. So I need to get down on the ground after I lay some plastic down, paint that. And then I need to I'm going to weld in a piece of metal plate right here just to strengthen this, because that's where I'm going to bolt on the little post that the door straps will go to. So I want to strengthen that up a little bit. Now I want to work on this latch system. So when these seats are in, they're not just flopping loose. They'll actually go in and latch in. And you pull up on this to release this latch. So you lost the yellow shoes that go to Belle.
Yeah, I only found one.
Where did you find the one at?
It was like somewhere right here, I think.
Oh boy. You think the second one might be in here somewhere?
Yeah,
I hope it.
this in case I kill something.
Yeah, but walking around in here may have disturbed this mulch and covered up the shoe. It's gonna be hard to find.
I'm running to like I feel a lovely thing.
Well, where else did you go with her? Maybe she's the shoe somewhere else.
I went there and then there.
Okay, let's check.
There's one there and
There.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, what? What the?
You got her shoe.
I thought it was over there.
Nope.
How did it get there?
I don't know. You're the one that brought it over there.
Oh, I think it was off from when I was bringing it over here.
All right. I'm glad you found it. So go on there. It attaches to that. Alright, I'll weld that in there. But first, I'm going to use this as a template and make a second one for that side. That one in, and this one in.
Tumbleweed Garage.